Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks Part 2. Maybe not necessary, but I don't know anything about vinyl cutting. But if you were trying to put this flower in, if you didn't watch Part 1, you'd be totally confused. There's no circle really there. There's not a circle there. It's two lines to make it cut faster. So how do you get that flower in the center of that? Well, let's take a Smart Fill tool and fill that in and move it over. And then that is our new circle. And if we actually select that, shift select that and go EC, it put it right in the center. Now we can get rid of our circle and we can move our graphic to the center. Now we moved them. You know what we're going to have to do? So this is pretty good. Let's move this out of the way and let's group this together. Control G. Now let's move this back. That way I can grab those items. And let's say we knew we moved it down 30 millimeters. So I'm going to hit the plus key and look, it's in the center of each one of them. Now we moved them over 35 millimeters. So by this being grouped, I can grab those and just hit the plus key. And then I have a flower in the center of my sticker. So if you didn't watch Part 1, which didn't really name Part 1, but it's the video right before it, on just this small amount of circles, we cut 27 seconds off the time by creating this. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.